Hi everyone, I am here to do my sixth experiment on Unix lab. So my sixth experiment, I have got two subdivisions. So my first main subdivision is VI space ex61.sh. So this is my sixth first subdivision. I have printed five statements using echo command. Enter one to deposit, two to withdraw, three to balance, four for new account, and five to exit. So it's an account operation to know the deposit and to perform the withdraw, to know the balance and to create a new account. So this is the operations that I am doing in this division. So for creating a new account, I have entered the name of the account which has to be created using the echo command, and I have read the name of the account using the read command, and I have used the echo command to state that the new account has been created to check the balance. So for next the operation is deposit operations. Deposit operations, I have used the echo command to enter the amount to deposit, and using the read command I have read the amount, and this the third statement states that expression $C plus $am. So it has got presently a certain amount of money. So if I am depositing an amount, so it will be added to the current deposit. So this gives that total deposit, and it states that the deposit has been successfully updated. So then withdraw. Withdraw means in withdraw case, if the amount that has to be withdrawn, if it's greater than the current amount, then the withdrawal will not be taking place. So if it has certain amount that is present there, then the withdrawal will be successful. So a switch case can be seen in this code. So there are four operations: deposit operations, withdraw operations, balance operation, new, for creating a new account. So moving on to our operation, space ex61 dot sx. So enter my choice. It says one for deposit. So I have 230. So the deposited successfully, it states. Then second, to withdraw. So I am withdrawing 100 rupees. So withdrawal has been successful, and I'm checking for the balance. So it states that the balance is 130 rupees. So 230 minus 100, 130 is remaining. And if I'm going to create a new account, then I will choose 4. So I'm creating a new account named Bipin. So I have created a new account named Bipin, and I'm going to exit this from this. So I have successfully exited. So this is my first division, and second division is VIEX. So I'm checking for the second question is EX62. So VIEX62.sh. So this is my second experiment. Second experiment is mainly of lending, adding book, searching book, and displaying and returning book. So this is mainly what is occurring in a library. So first of all, so first of all, so first of all, I've used the echo command to welcome the central library, and I've used an add book function. Add book means I'm starting a new book, or I'm going to take a book. So using echo command, I have entered the name of the book, and using read command, I have stated the number of books, or number of the names of the books, and the author, and ID. So it's an array. So I have inputted all the necessary values here. So my first operations is to list all the books. So for that, for loop is used. For j is equal to 0, j less than I, j plus plus. So it will print all the book ID, book name, book author, and book publisher, and it will list all the books. So next is to search the book. For that, search book function is used. So initially the flag will be 0. I am entering the book which has to be searched for. So I have used a for loop to search the entire list of books. So if the book which has to be searched for is present, then it will print that the book is found, and it will list all the details of that respective book. So next, if the flag is not equal to zero, that is, if the flag equal to zero, that means the book is not found. So it will print the message like book will not be found. So lend book, if book is should be a book should be lended, then lend book function is used. So here flag is initially set as zero. So I have entered the book ID which has to be lent for, and I have searched for the book in the list of all the books, and if the book is there, then I will lend it to the respective person, or if it's not there, then the book I will print the message stating that the book is not available. So if the flag sets to zero, that is, if the book is not found, then it will print the message like book is not found, so sorry for lending it. So returning book, so this return book function is used for returning book a respective book to a library. So for that, book ID is used. So the book ID which should be returned should be entered, and it would search for the book in the list of all the books. And if it matches, then the library takes the book, and if it's not matching, the book is already returned, it states. So this all works under a while condition, and if while true, then it will do all these operations, and if it's not true, then it will state like the invalid operation, and please choose again. Thank you. This is my experiment, and ex space 62.sh. So I'm going to add a book name Pipin, enter book author as book ID 10. Remember the name of the book ID, and book publisher VV book, and enter your search for the book. So here I have searched for a book name 10. So it will state that book ID is 10, book name is Bibin, and book author AS. The things that I have entered will be shown here. So I'm going to lend a book. So book ID I will type as 13, and the book is not found. So if we are going to type 3 and 10 that has been already entered, then it will state that the thank you for lending Bipin. So next is to display book. So display all the books. So till now I have entered only one book, that is book ID 10 and name book Bipin. And if I am going to return a book, I will choose fifth option and enter the book ID to be returned. I will type 10, that is Bipin. So it will state that thank you for returning Bipin. So this is all my experiment with. So if I am typing a number which is not in this operation, then it will give me an error message. So invalid option, please choose again. So this is all with my sixth experiment. Thank you.